Welcome to our in-depth look at the 2025 Volvo XC90. Let's dive into what makes this vehicle stand out. First, let's talk performance. The 2025 XC90 offers multiple powertrain options. Starting with the B5 mild hybrid, featuring a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine that delivers 247 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque. This engine balances power and efficiency, making it perfect for everyday drives. For those who crave more performance, there's the plug-in hybrid T8 recharge model, with a combined output of 455 horsepower. Thanks to its electric motor and turbocharged engine, this setup offers exhilarating acceleration and a pure electric range of up to 40 miles. Ideal for both city commutes and weekend getaways. No matter the engine, the XC90 delivers a smooth, composed ride thanks to its adaptive air suspension and precise steering. Volvo's commitment to safety shines with advanced driver assistance features like pilot assist and collision avoidance. Now, let's talk price. The 2025 XC90 starts at around $57,000 for the base core trim with the B5 engine. The Plus trim adds premium features like a panoramic sunroof and upgraded sound system, pricing it around $63,000. For the recharged T8 plug-in hybrid, the core trim begins at $73,000. Fully loaded ultimate trims can go up to $85,000, offering features like Napa leather, crystal gear shift, and a 360-degree camera. The 2025 Volvo XC90 combines performance, luxury, and safety in one elegant package. Whether you're seeking efficiency or power, this SUV delivers. Is this your next ride? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive reviews. See you next time.